Welcome to the 2016 Hello Health Labs Reception Training Tutorial. In today's video, I will be showing you the different statuses of labs, how to use the different lab filtering tools in your Labs tab, and how to share the final results with a patient. When a lab is created in Hello Health, a lab requisition is then produced. If you select Save, the lab requisition has a status of In Progress. This means it has yet to be sent to the lab company. Once the lab is submitted to the lab company through the Hello Health platform, the lab status is changed from In Progress to Sent. You can search all sent or in progress labs by switching your filter from all statuses to sent or in progress, whichever one you are looking for. When you submit a lab order and the results come back with the status of preliminary, this means that the lab company has some results ready, but they have yet to be proven. Preliminary results can come into Hello Health and will be updated by the lab company once the final results are ready to be submitted back through the platform. You can search all preliminary results by switching your filter from all statuses to preliminary in the Labs tab. When a lab result comes back with the status Final, this means that the lab company has submitted the final results for the lab that was ordered. You can search all final results by switching your filter from all statuses to Final in this section. If a lab result comes back with a red circle with the letter A inside of it, this means that the lab results contain abnormal results. If there is a green check mark next to the ordered on date, this means that the lab has been marked as reviewed. If you see a gray trash bin next to the ordered on date, this means that the lab result was previously archived. To review a lab, you can double-click on the line of the lab, or you can select the blue pen on the right-hand side of the lab. If the lab was ordered from Hello Health, this drop-down menu will display View Details, which will open up the lab result, Archive, which will move that lab to your archived labs. The drop-down menu also displays shortcuts to view Requisition PDF, which also displays the PDF of the lab requisition, View Label PDF, which displays the lab requisition's PDF label, View Result PDF number, which displays a specific result within that lab requisition. When reviewing the lab requisition, it is important to select Mark as Reviewed before selecting Share Lab with Patient. If the lab is not marked as reviewed and it is shared with the patient, this will only display the lab requisition tests that were submitted to the lab company and not the final results. Once the lab is marked as reviewed and shared with the patient will see the lab results displayed within their Labs tab in their Portal Connect account. You also have the option to archive the lab right after it has been reviewed and after sharing it with the patient in this section. It is important to toggle with the Next button on the bottom of the page to ensure all lab results from this lab requisition are marked as reviewed. When a lab is ordered outside of Hello Health, the lab order comes in as an unsolicited lab result. This means that there will be no ordered on date displayed in Hello Health. If this lab requisition was submitted with a different name than the patient has within Hello Health, the lab result may come back as unmatched, which can be identified by the little blue circle with a lowercase I inside of it on the right-hand side of the patient's name. To match the lab to a patient's chart, double-click on the lab requisition and then you will see a prompt informing you the lab was not ordered within Hello Health. It needs to be matched with an existing patient. The search bar displayed will allow you to find the correct name to match the lab result to, and you can then verify this by ensuring the date of birth matches in this section as well. If this unsolicited lab does not match anyone within your patient panel, you do have the option to delete the unsolicited lab by selecting the blue pen on the right-hand side of the lab result. Only unsolicited labs ordered outside of Hello Health can be deleted permanently from the system. If you wish to search specific lab results, you have this ability within the Provider's Lab tab. You can search results such as abnormal only, which means all labs containing abnormal results. You also have the option to search review only, which means all labs that have not been reviewed by the doctor, and any labs that have unread only. This means all labs that have not been opened ever. You can do this by selecting the filter option on the left side of the blue search button. You also have the option to change the ordered from and ordered to date to make a specific search. If you wish to search a specific patient's labs only, you can type in the first 3 letters or the patient's first or last name in the Search for Patient bar. This will display all of those patients' lab results. If you wish to search all archived lab results, you can do this by switching the first filter from All to Archived and then select Search. That concludes the 2016 Hello Health's Lab Reception Training tutorial. If you have any questions about setting up a new lab interface, please email integration@hellohealth.com. And if you have any questions in regards to the lab section, please do not hesitate to contact the Hello Health support team by either emailing us at support@hellohealth.com or by calling us at our toll-free number 1-866-779-1536.